one, especially service and technology sector.
Animal Husbandry and Veterinary Minister A.L. Hek today expressed concern on the rise of cattle smuggling to Bangladesh via Meghalaya. Speaking to media persons, Hek informed that officials of the Veterinary Department are continuously working with the State Police and the BSF personnel to deal with this menace. He also said that the department takes care of the seized cattle till the time it is auctioned off.
It is very, I'm telling you, very sometime we are getting this kind of information. We are not getting the information. If there is information, then the veterinary department, they will inform me. They will inform the director, they will inform the secretary veterinary, so they will inform, then we will take the necessary step. They have to treat them. Too many things are there. So they have to take care to the cattle. They cannot just leave it like that only. And also the BSF don't keep the cattle. The cattle is kept by the veterinary department under the whatever district it is called.
The Green Hills Higher Secondary School